Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys my natural makeup routine and also how I cover my acne scars and dark spots with only a small amount of makeup. I'm going to need the CeraVe Moisturizing Cream, the ColourPop Pretty Fresh Hyaluronic Tinted Moisturizer, 2 shades of the Maybelline Matte and Poreless Face Powder, 1 shade that matches my skin and 1 that's slightly darker than my skin. I'll also be using ColourPop No Filter Concealer, Burt's Bees Lip Balm, and LA Colors Brow Pencil, and the NYX Born to Glow Liquid Illuminator. First, I'm applying a thin layer of the CeraVe moisturizer all over my skin. Then I'm going to cover my acne scars and dark spots with the tinted moisturizer. After that, I'm powdering my face with the Maybelline Matte and Poreless Powder. Then, with the darker powder, I'm contouring my face. And here I am wondering why the contour is showing up 10 times darker on camera than in real life. Then I'm using the concealer to brighten under my eyes and conceal any redness on my face around my nose. Then, with the brow pencil, I'm brushing out my eyebrows and filling in any patchiness. Then I'm using a small amount of the liquid illuminator on my cheekbones, the tip of my nose, under the arch of my eyebrows, and above my lips. Lastly, I'm using the Burt's Bees lip balm to moisturize my lips. And this is the final result. Thank you guys so much for watching, and make sure to check out my makeup tutorials playlist. I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye guys!